YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. So in today's video, we're gonna be working on our left side waves, right? And we're gonna be using our medium brush, soft brush, and we're gonna work on the crown too. So stay tuned. Fellas, what we wanna do is, man, since we're working on the left side, we're gonna go ahead and start off with this brush, right? This small little brush, okay? And we're just gonna go ahead and hit the crown, man. So let's go ahead and look at where the crown is and let's go ahead and start hitting it. All right, so take your time on this part. So let me turn around so y'all can see. All right, so just take your time with it. And you're just getting this whole left side. And you just want to brush it down there. You want to start back at the top. Where is that? So it's angle 1. Don't overlap. Angle 2. Angle 3. And then you can do angle 4. Alright fellas, so after you use that brush, you want to go ahead and get your medium brush, and we're just working on this whole left side. So you just want to brush down 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to, you can switch hands and you can go right straight down. Alright. Y'all let me know how y'all week been, man. I haven't uploaded a video in a minute. Y'all let me know how y'all doing in the comments. Next angle right down here. So we're just working on this whole left side. And also, if you want to, before you even start working on the weak side of your hair, right? Whether it's the right side or the left side, make sure you're combing your hair out. Comb your hair out first. And after you comb your hair out, go ahead and just, hit it with that little medium brush for the crown. And then just go right back over it with your other brush. So again, your other brush would be first that little small medium brush for the crown, and then you could get a Torino Pro brush, a medium or hard, and then go right back over it. And you see we're just slow brushing. So fellas, we're gonna go over one more time. And y'all let me know how the waves looking in the comments, man. I just got the cut, as y'all can see, right? Just got the cut. I'm gonna hit this angle right here. Just got the cut, fellas. A couple of days ago. And we're gonna hit it right here. What I'm gonna do for y'all, just hit my hair with the medium brush. I'm just gonna speed this part up and just hit my whole entire waves, and then I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna hit it with the soft brush. Let's get it, fellas. Alright fellas, now we're about to go and hit that left side. Make sure you go ahead and get your soft brush. Let's get it. So fellas, we already hit it with the medium brush, right? If you stayed this long for the video, you know we already hit it with the medium brush. Alright, so now what you want to do is just hit the same angles. You want to go slow though, don't go too fast. Your hair is low, take your time, just go slow, no rush. And you just want to really take your time brushing these waves now. Just take your time. Alright, don't overlap. Hit these angles nice and smooth. Alright, let's go right here. We're going to hit this angle right here. I've been working on this angle for a minute, y'all can tell. I still have like a couple of forks right here. Probably gonna do an update video on that, right? So we just hit this go right back on the top, fellas. And what I'm thinking about doing, fellas, I'm gonna probably come out with a series on my journey to get flawless 360 wave connections. Probably gonna do a series on that. If y'all want it, let me know. All right, so next angle right here. So we use the soft brush. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speed this video up and I'm gonna finish it off with my soft brush. Let's get it. What you're gonna do is after you're done with that little session, let's go ahead and put our Durag on. Let's get it. Durag's pretty easy, man. Right, we're just gonna tie it around. We're gonna put it right here on top. Simple task. You wanna get this part. Again, don't put that in your mouth. That's nasty. We're gonna tie it this way. Right, y'all can see how it is. Let me show y'all the back. Show y'all the back part. Just tie it just like this. And if you want to get real fancy with it, let me show you what you do. Go like this with it. Put it in a twirly knot. And you just stick it right back there. Nice and neat. And then what you want to do is you just want to pull it right down. And you know, we're just locked in, gang. You see how it's looking. Let's get it.